Our ball joint, let me show you how it squeaks. This is a tool you rent from O'Reilly's. It's like $130, $127 to rent it. And so here's what it comes with, the adapter. They have another additional one to rent for Hondas, but I think I can make this work. So let's try that. And first you want to do is loosen the wheels and loosen the axle nut, so you can pull the whole spindle off. Take out this pin for the tie rod. We're gonna take out those two tens, the pin and the bolt. We're gonna loosen up the caliper, hang it somewhere. Take out the brake lines bracket, and then we hit the lower ball joint. So let's get to it. So brake line brackets off, 2 10s, 2 17s in the back for the calipers. Zip tie it right there so it doesn't pull on the brake line. We're gonna hit this out. Take out the pin for the lower ball joint. Take that out. The lower ball joint. Riding on this thing, man, has been so stressful because I was scared it might pop out on me. It's kind of loose. I was putting it earlier. Look at that. This thing pop off, and the car would just like go flying. Alright, so you gotta loosen up the bearing a little bit because it gets in the way right here. Here's the ball joint. Just bang it out. Try to find a socket that fits kind of onto it. So just don't damage the hub. Alright, so got the new one on. Seated all nice. Got the little seat clip in. And we good. Greased it. Put everything back on now. So basically I have new tie rods, sway bar bushings, upper control arm. I just need suspension next. My coilovers. No more squeaks.